y'all, so welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for tuning in today. Thank you so much for just in general just clicking on the video. So I really never did an intro on this channel about, you know, like kind of like what this channel was created for. Just in a nutshell, it was created for lock content. I've been locked for 7 months now, so I've been, you know, just thinking like, why not bring all of my content from my other page to this page, so that if you actually just want to see like lock content, you'll be able to just follow my lock journey and just see lock content, just period, just locks. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Like I said, I've been locked for 7 months. It has been overall just a nice journey. It's been very beautiful to see my hair transition from like starter lock process to what it is now. Has just been phenomenal. Like I can't even lie. Like being able to do wraps, being able to accessorize, like let me see, hopefully it hasn't been blurry, but you know, to accessorize, add like butterfly clips and you know, just all that fun stuff. It has just been a fun journey overall. 7 months down, I will say, like I told y'all, with my journey, budding started very quickly. It's been really a great journey so far. Let me see, I want to show y'all like what I typically do to keep my locks like hydrated and stuff like that. So usually I put my little concoction in this spray bottle. It's usually just like some purified water. I add aloe, I add oil. The oil I use is this one. I've put it on my channel a million times. Like I love this product. It's like the best product ever. I love all of her, you know, anything that she has, I love. So I also add rose water into my, you know, concoction. And the rose water is really good. Sometimes I put rose water, but sometimes I use the rose water by itself, and it just be really hydrating, like, and bringing life back into my hair. Like it feels like my locks just love rose water. It's just like soaks it up, and it's amazing. Also, I have a barber's brush, and like when I didn't have locks and I was natural, I made sure I brushed my hair. So I kind of feel like it's the same concept when you have locks. I know some people get locks and don't really necessarily feel like they have to brush their hair, but I've noticed that I've had like buildup and lint, and it kind of like helps like keep that to a minimum. And you know, I do it often. I brush like every day. I try to brush. So yes, this is my brush. And then yeah, as y'all can see, I tend to do like little styles like this if I don't really want to do much to my hair in the day. As you can see, like sometimes you can hold, like bring this down or have it up. If it's getting like blurry, I'm so sorry y'all. I don't know what's going on with my camera. But yeah, I normally do like looks like this. I'm gonna take off my scarf so y'all can actually see. If my hair look crazy under here, my bad. But yes, this is my hair after 7 months. So this is after 7 months locked. Y'all can get into it. This has, like I told y'all, this has been just such a beautiful journey. I love my locks so far. Let me come up close so y'all can see like what's going on in here. So yeah, you know, we in that stage of them trying to mature, just trying to just flourish and do their best. This is what it's looking like. Yes, yes, yes. So yes, this is what the locks are looking like at 7 months. And I personally feel like my locks are doing really well at 7 months. 7 months to me, it's doing pretty good. Like, I won't even lie. I love the journey so far. And let me see. Usually, like I told y'all, I just brush my locks. Like, and that's usually what I do. Like, just brush, brush, brush. Because it's just like, it's your hair. And you can get lint in there. I sleep with a silk pillow. Like I just do all that stuff just to make sure they're getting all that they need. So yeah, y'all, I'm telling y'all, like it has been phenomenal. It has been beautiful. It's just a beautiful thing to just watch your hair transform and evolve into something so magnificent, so beautiful. So I didn't want much. I just wanted to tap in with you all and show you all my locks and the progress in 7 months. yeah, just like I told y'all, a few tips. I brush my hair, I use rose water mixed in with like my oil, all of that to keep my hair hydrated. I usually tend to wash. I'm trying to find that balance of washing because I don't want to overdo it, but my hair just like, before getting locks, I washed my hair like once a month or like twice a month. So you know, as far as with washing, I'm just trying to find that healthy balance and not over retwisting, because when I have events, I'm like, oh my gosh, I want to retwist the front of my hair, I want to retwist. But you know, I'm just falling into that process of just accepting my locks as they are, and just like, you know, just doing the best that I can, accessorizing them, and just, you know, just kind of like going with the flow, and you know, making sure that I'm tying my hair down every night. I do not go to bed at all without my little silk scarf. That's just something I will not, won't not, can't not, won't, will not, cannot, could not, should not, and just won't do. I just have to have my scarf on. That's just a must, a big must for me. But yes, y'all, I am on 7 months. And I just want to come on here and show y'all, and I hope you all are enjoying the videos that I'm putting on this channel. I hope you are enjoying this journey with me, and I hope you just have a great weekend whenever you see this. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what videos you all would love to see on here. And yeah, you know, this is just a long journey, and I'm out this thing. Love you all so much. Have a beautiful weekend or weekday or whenever you see this. Mwah. Bye.